Hello friends, now we see the problem number 13, which is based on rules of differentiation of chapter differentiation. The problem number 13 is y equal to in bracket 1 minus 2 tan x bracket complete into 5 plus 4 sin x bracket complete. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we write y is equal to 1 minus 2 tan x into 5 plus 4 sin x. Now here the first bracket 1 minus 2 tan x consider as a u, and the second bracket 5 plus 4 sin x consider as a v, and we apply product rule of derivative. So the next step will be differentiate with respect to x. We get the derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to, first of all we write 1 minus 2 tan x as it is into derivative of 5 plus 4 sin x, then plus 5 plus 4 sin x we write as it is into derivative of 1 minus 2 tan x. Therefore, the next step will be dy upon dx is equal to, now 1 minus 2 tan x we write as it is. Then in second bracket derivative of phi is 0 plus derivative of 4 sin x is 4 cos x plus 5 plus 4 sin x we write as it is into derivative of 1 is 0, then minus derivative of tan x is sec square x, so therefore it is minus 2 into sec square x. So finally dy upon dx is equal to 1 minus 2 tan x into 4 cos x plus 5 plus 4 sin x we write as it is into minus 2 sec square x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 4 cos x into 1 minus 2 tan x plus minus 2 sec square x into 5 plus 4 sin x. So this is required solution for the given problem. Thank you.